Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing graphics design tutorial. And the graphics design tutorial of today, it's all about the design trends. And if you don't know about design trends, actually each year design has to change because it has to embrace something new, or it might be hindering throughout some different aspects of design. So what I have today is actually something which is so amazing. It's called Neumorphism design trends. Now this is something which I saw online, and I thought that I could share with you guys my kind of experience and how you can use it. Do you guys remember the tutorials we gave out for flat design? Well, this is something like a flat design, but more with textures, more with that kind of 3D look, more with that kind of pushing throughout the UI user interface, and basically it's something which is so great. Now for further ado, let's jump on the Neumorphism and see how it's happening. Now right now I'm actually inside the website, so this website is called the Web Designer Ledger. So it's something which is so great and it explains everything. Now I'm gonna break it down each kind of aspect throughout it. So it says, what is Neumorphism? Neumorphism is a new modern graphics design technique that is combination of skeuomorphism and flat design and realism. Now some of you guys will be like, what is that Neumorphism? It's something which is like chemistry, biology, you know what I'm saying, those kind of things which you're like, man, why am I learning this? Am I exploding my brain or something? Okay, I'll keep things basically short and clear so some of you guys can have a better understanding. You see, on design, when it comes to design, it's actually basically throughout different schemes. A design can be throughout art, how much it experiences whatever the user interface it's been interacted, or whatever the case, or the layout, or many things throughout design. So I can't emphasize much throughout design, since you know basically how much it looks like and how much you can flex on it. Now as you can see on this kind of user interface, how it looks like, right? It looks more 3D like. You see, it has 3D look, it has those kind of shadows, it has that kind of button which looks more pushed out, more bevel. It looks like it's pressed, it looks like you're pressing something, right? Now on this kind of layout, how it looks like, it gives you realism, that how much this kind of product looks like. Not only that, we have different types of Neumorphism. Look like this kind of picture which looks like 3D, right? It looks so amazing, so incredible, but the only kind of side of this kind of picture, how it looks like, is just that it looks like something has been opened. All the textures around it and the surface and stuff like that looks more realistic, looks like, man, this is something way to go. So as you can see skeuomorphism is the design concept of making items represented resemble their real world counterparts. Skeuomorphism is commonly used in many design fields, including user interface, web design, architecture, ceramics, and interior design. Skeuomorphism contrasts with flat design and simpler graphic style. So it's something which is so great about skeuomorphism. So as you can see, basically skeuomorphism is basically based on web design, architecture, ceramics, interior, and many more user interface. Even we can apply skeuomorphism design, skeuomorphism, not skeuomorphism design, but skeuomorphism throughout even posters, even logos. You can try to blend in, because as I said guys, design is something which is wider. It's not like sky is the limit here. So another kind of stuff, we're having 30 examples of skeuomorphism, or 30 examples of Neumorphism. Okay, as you can see guys, this is a user interface. So you can see it's a book here, looking so great. If it's an app you're coding or bringing out an app, you should just make something looks user interface can understand it. Even the user experience, how much it looks like, it's so amazing. Just look how it is, something which is so great. And just you can play out this video how much it looks like, so as you can have that kind of scheme. Let me just reduce that sound there. So as you can see how much it interacted, you can see that this is like a washing machine on an app, how much you can control it. You see, having this kind of stuff on user interface, they really minimize all those kind of realism which you might be hindering throughout realism. But if you have something which is not that much realistic, it's way more minimal. I get the message is getting that done. So as you can see how much it is, it grooves very nicely. see, I kind of like it, how much it spins, how much it has been created. It's really awesome. So as you can see guys, all of them we just started with user interface, how much it interacts, how much it is. Well, basically this is something which is so great on user interface. Another video we can play here, so as you can see how much it's been interacted, something which is so great. As you can see those kind of graphs, how much they are, how much it can be pressed, how much the button you can feel, like you just check it out, how much the button, if it's been pressed, you feel the button like you've pressed something, you feel me? Like it's a real realism. It's like you're pressing, it's like you're having a keyboard and you just press a button, you feel like you've pressed it, right? It's just the same when it comes to neumorphism. So it's something which is so great. Another kind of stuff, you can see how much all the layouts they are. What about the icons? Let's see the icons, how they display, and it's something which is so great. The icons look so amazing, how much the user interface has been blended there, which is something which is so awesome. And let's go to another kind of stuff. There is a user interface of food ordering there, another kind of video, we can play it out. As you can see, this is like shows the cattle and user interface, and this is, man, this is so amazing. So this is how much it looks like. Just look how much the dial, how much it is. You can see how much it's just blending. So there are a bunch of stuffs throughout this kind of neumorphism, and it's really kind of amazing, mixing out all those design, mixes out all those gradients. And I think we should just catch up with the tutorial about neumorphism. We should just create one, and so as I can share with you guys. So I think on the next video, since this one is like an explanation, so some of you guys can catch up with that, I think to my own kind of aspect is so amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about neumorphism. Is it something which you can apply throughout your workflow, or you're like, man, I don't want to just apply this, I just want to pass it, and you know what I'm saying. So that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed on this kind of amazing tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos, peace. Subscribe to your homeboy here, don't forget that, it will be so amazing. Peace.